Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial and how-to video how to organically grow your Twitter fan base on a MacBook Pro or any other computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a computer. For this video, as reiterated before, we are using a MacBook Pro. You can use Windows or any other operating system. And you also need a Twitter account. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Safari, go to your Twitter account, and I will be guiding you in how you can use organic methods, methodologies, and ideologies to grow your audience on Twitter, which is in fact the SMS of the internet. So if I now decrease the size of the web browser, bring in the Word document that I have prepared for this video. So we have 5 ways to organically grow your Twitter fan base. The first thing we need to do is really sit down and think for a day or two, maybe a week. Sometimes it could take a month because this is something that has to be ongoing. So we need to pick a topic. If we look at my Twitter account, okay, now this is all to do with tutorials, how-to videos, and education. There's a demand for these types of topics. Education will never come to an end. How-to videos and tutorials are always listed on top of every search. This is what people require, which is why I have dedicated my time, energy, and efforts into creating a YouTube channel. If we just increase the size of this for the moment, look at the content on my channel. How-to videos, educational content, which is why the channel's name itself is Computer Science Videos. I have to mention that in every video. I've also opened up an Instagram account. There will be a video how to organically grow your Instagram audience. We have to keep posting content to these websites to stay in line with the technological revolution that is taking place. Go back to Twitter. So it could take some time before you pick a topic and stick to the topic. If you have picked a topic about cars, but then you start posting about televisions, that might not go hand in hand. However, in the near future, if you were to open up the audience and say we can have TVs and cars, that's something different. So, number 1, pick a topic, stay on topic. The next way is to tweet every day and post on a regular. When I say tweet every day, I don't just mean sit behind the computer for 24 hours a day and just keep tweeting, and something will happen. Nothing will happen. You have to have a schedule where you can tweet on a regular. Let's say use an application to schedule tweet, and then build up your audience organically. Tweet every day, post regularly, let's say 5-6 times a day, and keep that ongoing. The next point is engage with your audience. This is always a massive way to organically grow your fan base. If you have a specific amount of followers or following and you wish to engage with your audience, what could you really do? You could create a questionnaire for them to see that on their timeline and quickly click, because people today hate clicking 5 times just to get to something. If it's on their timeline, they can just click 1, 2, 3. They'll do that, and you know your audience is or are seeing your tweets. So if we just scroll down, we can see a questionnaire, that shows me the audience really can see my tweets. You can ask a question hoping to get answers. That could work. You can also post videos hoping to get a reaction. Generating attention is considered a talent today. So if you can do that, you will organically grow your Twitter fan base. This is why I was able to go from 0 to 664 within a couple of months. That's because I'm using the application, engaging with my audience. I have a topic, I tweet every day, I post regularly. So the next one, number 4, is post videos. That could be one of the greatest ways to bring in views. If you post a video, let's just say I posted a video the other day about recursion, I was able to pull 17 views. As you can now see, I only have 3 likes. However, I have 17 views. That tells me 17 people took their time to look at this video, or even scrolled, must have looked at the video for 5 seconds, but they did view the video. So the more views you get, the more better it looks for other people who could come across your hashtag. That is something we'll be talking about next. So number 5, hashtag the right way. Don't overdo it with the hashtags. Keep your hashtags to a minimal of about 5, 10. Switch them around so then when people click on a hashtag, your tweets will be visible to them and new audiences who could end up retweeting your tweet. That's how you build and grow a Twitter fan base organically from scratch, the right way. Pick a topic, tweet every day, engage with your audience, post videos, hashtag the right way. So we can now close Word, minimize Safari. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys on my next tutorial. Thanks for now.